Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the truck again. So what do you expect? 170,000 miles. Truck is broken again. Not a big deal though. Let's go dig in and let me show you what I mean. All right, so after I was driving for a while, I noticed that the reservoir was always low. So I did a little investigation. And not sure if you can see, but there's a crack right here on the radiator, and there's a small leak. So we need a new radiator. I ended up taking out the fan shroud already, so we're ready to go. And the new radiator's over there. So let's get this radiator out, drain everything out, and let's put the new one in. Let's go. All right, now that the old radiator is out, let's put the brand new one in and let's fill it up with some water. All right, so before we put everything back together, I want to fill everything with water, run the truck for 10 minutes, drain it, fill it with water, do the same thing over and over like 2 or 3 times, get the whole system cleared up because the water is pretty rusty. So let's clean up the whole system, and then after that, we'll fill it up with actual antifreeze and we'll button everything up. All right, let's go. All right guys, so the truck is all flushed out. Now we gotta go to the parts store and get some antifreeze, and also I ended up finding this hose here. It has a hole here, so let's go to the store and replace this hose as well. All right, let's go. All right, so we got the new hose and we got some antifreeze. Let's put it in the truck and let's finish this up. All right guys, so the truck is all done. The radiator is all fixed and we have filled it up with antifreeze. We checked for any leaks and it's good to go. That's pretty much it for the truck. Hopefully the truck will be towing soon. The plan is to hopefully within the next week or two, we're gonna be taking the 135 to the drag strip. So we'll be towing it with the Chevy truck. So that's why I was trying to get all the little maintenance things out, because I definitely don't want the truck to be stranded while we're pulling the car. And the whole point of the truck is to, if we do break the 135, we have the truck to tow it with. So to have a truck that doesn't pull the car would be pointless. So yeah, that's it for today. Sorry about the short video, but stay tuned, and in a couple weeks we'll be going to the track. All right, see you.